Middle scene. The baby elephant trips over a small rock, causing the herd to pause and look back humorously. Add cheerful background music for a lighthearted vibe. Capture the adults gently nudging the baby with their trunks, encouraging it to continue. Add funny sound effects like boing or giggles when the baby
Climax.
stumbles. The baby elephant follows, pretending to race the baby ahead of the herd, creating a flapping its ears like wings. Ending a heartwarming message like family is where laughter begins. Show the herd stopping under a tree while the baby elephant rolls around in mud, making everyone laugh.